Hello everyone, thank you for joining on my another live stream today. So this is the 21st of August 2020 on Monday. So I hope you're having a great day today. Alright, good to see everyone. Thank you for joining. I hope that the microphone is not muted. Yeah, it is on. And also I hope that the background music is on. It's not too loud to make sure. Alright, there we go. So once again, thank you for joining everyone. So let's get started right now. So I do the live stream every day, like on this program guide. So today is on Monday. So every Monday I talk about the Forex Tester 4, and I talk about the my strategy by running the Forex Tester 4 every Monday. So hopefully you get the idea of how I take these trades based on my own strategies. Alright, so yep, good to see everyone. Good to see you. Alright, so let's see. Basically it's ranging, so there's not much of trade chances right now for myself on Monday. Right now it's actually after the London session starts, so I was thinking that any JPY crosses are breaking the Tokyo box up or downwards, but looks like there's no breakouts yet. So yeah, I'm kind of staying away from the market right now. But anyways, yeah, so let's see. Oh, is it frozen? The video is frozen right now. We can see the mouse pointer moving, but your face is frozen. Oh, is it? Okay. So you can see the chart now. This is on the Euro USD daily chart, and you can see the chart now. But is it the only my face that's frozen? Is it? Let me clarify. If my face is frozen today, then probably we can do a YouTube video or YouTube radio show. Yeah, without my face today. Yes, okay. So you can see the chart, but my video's frozen. Alright, so alright, let me take out the wipe. Okay. So the chart is okay. Alright. So yeah, I think today is going to be a YouTube radio. Yeah, without my face on it. But hopefully you get the idea of what I'm talking about. So make sure that the drawing tool, like you can see the drawing tool. Can you see the smiley face? Yep. Okay. I hope that the smiley face is visible. So yeah, I think I will turn it to radio show today. Yeah. Alright, sorry about the issue. Sometimes yeah, there are issues in YouTube live. But anyways, yeah, hope things work out okay. Okay, so again, welcome to my radio show today. Yeah. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Kei, and I am a Japanese full-time forex trader based in Tokyo, Japan. And in this YouTube channel, I mainly talk about how not to lose over time for those who have been struggling in trading. And also, I have been using Ichimoku Kinko for the last 5 years as one of my main tool and trade strategies. And I have been sharing extensive knowledge through the original books in this YouTube also. And as far as I know, I am the only Japanese trader who teaches Ichimoku Kinko from the original books in English. So hopefully you enjoy my Ichimoku lectures too. And I run close to Ichimoku community also. So if you are interested, you can click on the join button on YouTube, and you're always welcome to join the community. So today's live is about the support and resistance line in lower time frames. So this is these support resistance line is actually besides from the Ichimoku knowledge, but yeah, I take it along with the Ichimoku knowledge, so hopefully you can learn how I draw these lines. Alright, so yeah, so here is a Euro USD, and this is a daily chart, and looks like it's been ranging for a couple of days. The Kumo is kind of flat, Kijun Sen moving up, but because Kumo is flat right now, I'm not really expecting that the price continues to go up this way. Not really. So this is in the range, but within the range we can draw some lines also. So in the daily chart we can't draw any lines, but if you look at the lower time frames like 1 hour chart, there is a reversal line here. So slightly above here, there was a support in the past, and after it breaking through, then it became a resistances a couple of times, and then the price went downwards. So yeah, I thought that this is going to be a continuous downtrend on this reverse in wave move, but now the price is going up, and this is becoming like a positive or bullish in wave. And the price is breaking the Kijun Sen uppers now, and we can see that there is a Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, gold cross, and Chikou span is breaking the candles uppers now. So there is a good chance that the price breaks through the Kumo, and when it really does, then we can expect the continuous uptrend to this way. So it might be resisted on this area, because there's a recent high. Sorry, not this one. There is a recent high on this area, so the price might be resisted by this price level of a 1.1882, and it might go down this way. But yeah, as long as it continues to go up, then I just follow the trend. So this is one of the confirmations. So I will just wait for the price to break through the Kumo, break through this Senko span B upwards, and then I will look for the buy chance afterwards. And now the price is in between the Kumo and Kijun Sen. I don't want to look for the buy chance, because it might go down. It might continue to go down this way and break the recent low downwards too. So that's one of the things that we have to look at. And so speaking about this horizontal line, there was a support line. The price was supported by this line, this 1.1816 level, and once it break through, it was resisted a couple of times, and then the price went down, and afterwards it became a bullish in wave. Sorry, hold on. It became a bullish in wave. Oops, hold on, can't move it. Kind of fixed. Alright, so it became a bullish in wave, and now the price is breaking through this line, this level upwards now. So there's a good chance that the price retraces backwards, but supported by this level, and continues to go upwards this way, breaking through the Kumo uppers. So that is my view here. And so this is daily chart shows that this is uptrend, and 1 hour chart shows that the price is still below the Kumo. So after the price breaks the Kumo uppers, then I look at the lower time frames to capture the buying edges. Until then, I just wait for that chance to come. So yeah, so in this example, the horizontal line is visible on this level of a 1.1816 level, and we can expect that the price can reverse backwards and be supported by this level and goes upward this way. Yeah, that's expected here. So and I don't see any like a significant moves in higher time frames right now. Looks like everything is flat. So I don't see a decent uptrend. So it's kind of difficult to look down on 5 or 15. So in this case, what I usually do is basically on the real charts, there's pretty much nothing to do. So I run the Forex Tester 4 and backtest myself. So here is a Forex Tester 4, and this is way below 2014 in the April. So up here, this is a Euro USD 1 hour chart, and down below, this is a 5-minute chart. Alright, so I will run this Forex Tester 4 now, and until we see a decent up-down trends, I just keep running it by 1 hour chart and see if there's any decent uptrends or downtrends afterwards. Until I see a decent up and down trends, I don't look at the 5. I just keep looking at the 1 hour chart for the next decent moves. So let me keep running. Let me just go one by one here. So right now this is in range, right? The price is into the Kumo now, and the price is breaking through the Kumo now upwards. So until I see a Kumo breakout, I don't want to take any trades because it might go downwards anytime soon. It might be resisted by the Senko Span B, and the price might go downwards this way too. So I would prefer to wait for this gold cross to happen. So let me just move one by one based on the 1 hour chart. So let's just keep going, just one by one here. So yeah, now looks like the price is being kind of resisted by the Senko Span B. So once it breaks through, I look for the buy chance. Yeah, the price is kind of horizontal over on this Senko Span B. So let me just keep moving a little bit more. Okay, so there's a clear breakout. So there's a clear breakout on this resistance line upwards. So in this area, the price broke upwards. So I look for the buy chance from here. So today's topic is about how to draw the lines in lower time frames, which are 5-minute or 50-minute time frame. So when I see the range like this, I will draw the line, the resistance line, and once it breaks through upwards, then this is a signal for its continuous uptrend. So right now we can see that in this 5-minute chart, the price continues to go up this way. So we know that this breakout is trustable. So let me just wait for the retracement and look for another buy chance. Alright, so I just go by the 5-minute chart and just move one by one. Now it's kind of retracing. Okay, so there is a renewal of the recent high uppers now. So in this case, I draw the breakout line like this way, and once it touches on this line and be supported, then I look for the buy chance. Because this is uptrend in a 1 hour chart, so there is a good chance that this is going to be a continuous uptrend. Okay, so it's kind of breaking through downwards. Okay, so there is a push up, right? Push back upwards. So when I see this, retracement, and once I see a breakout of the recent high upwards on this one, then this is a one of the good confirmations to take a buy here, and expecting that the price continue to go up this way, continue to go up this way in 1 hour chart also, because this is a consecutive uptrend. It's been a 1 or 2 and 3. Well, actually this is 1 and 2, and this is the third N wave. So there's a good chance that the price continues to go up this way. So that's my view. So I would take a buy here, and my stop loss. So if you take a buy here, then my stop loss is going to be slightly below the recent low, which is at this level. So this is a stop loss, and this is a buy chance. And I keep holding this buy until it hits a stop loss or until I see a reversed N wave. So I hope this is clear so far, everyone. Alright, so let me see who is here first. Alright, yeah, thank you for joining, everyone. Good to see you. Alright. It's always nice to have you here. And it's always nice, it's always my pleasure to do these lives every day. Alright, good to see you from UK, South Africa, and different parts of the world. Thank you for joining. To see you. Yeah, because the video is not working today, this is going to be a K's Ichimoku radio show. Yeah, KFM. That's true. Yeah, and good to see you, everyone. Good to see you. All right, so let's see. So let's see if I can find any other related comments so far on this support resistance lines. Alright, and good to see you. Alright, so I would buy here. And expecting that the price continue to go up this way. And the reason is because Senko Span A is uptrend and Kijun Sen is moving upwards now. So I expect the price continue to go up this way. So we'll see. Let's just keep running the Forex Tester 4 based on the 5-minute chart now. Okay, so there's a clear breakout. So there's another reversal line here. So this is another powerful line that you can draw. Like here, there was a former resistance, and now it's turning to the bullish trend. So you have to find this horizontal line here now. If you happen to watch the market real time. So I will just take this one out, and I will just take this one out too. And I keep this horizontal line on this 1.3770 area. I just keep this horizontal line because the price might come back to this line, and it might continue to go up this way. And the reason is because Kumo is continuously moving up, and Kijun Sen is continuously moving up too. The price is above the Tenkan Kijun Sen and Kumo. Chikou span is above these candles too. So there's a good chance that the price continues to go up this way. And we see a reversal line very well. So yeah, let's say take a buy here. Let's say I take another buy here, and then this is going to be buy, and then my stop loss is going to be slightly below the recent low, which is at this level. So this is like a 40 pips of stop loss, and if it goes backwards, if I start to see a reversing wave like this way, then I exit already. But my view is the price continues to go up this way, renewing the recent highs upwards. This is uptrend in 1 hour chart. Alright, so let's keep it running a little bit more. So my stop loss in this case is going to be here. Okay, so this red line is a place to buy. So let me move a little bit upwards. Yeah, there you go. So this is the entry and this is a stop loss. So let me keep it going a little bit more. Okay, so now there's another breakout, right? So there's another breakout. So in this case, I draw another line like this. You know, this has to be at the tip of the wick pointing upwards, so that we can expect that the price can come backwards to this level and it can continue to go up this way. And once the price gets closer to this level, then I will look for the buy chance. Because in this case, I move the initial stop loss to break even already, like this, so that I continue to look for another buy chance without any, you know, risks on the market. All right. So let's see. Oh yeah, this is a Euro USD, and this is Forex Tester 4. So this is not a real-time market. This is way back in 2014 in April, and I don't remember the chart pattern on this 2014 April Euro USD. So technically this is backtesting, but you know, we can come forward testing it right now, and I explain my own strategies. All right. Yeah, good to see you. All right, Gabriel. Well, that example of breakout was good in the lower time frame K, very clear. All right. Yeah. So these breakouts are possible, right? These breakouts are possible, and that's because I am following a trend, uptrend, in higher time frame. If 1 hour chart is ranging, then I cannot expect this move, or I cannot expect these reversals. But because I see Kijun Sen up and Senko Span AB up right now, so that's why whenever the price goes backwards, I expect that this is going to be supported on the previous high and continues to go up this way. So make sure to follow the bigger higher time frame trend is the key for success. All right, Life, you're welcome. You're welcome. And Henry, do you continue buy entry whenever resistance becomes support in 5-minute time frame? Not whenever. Not whenever. This is going to be one of my confirmations. So like I've been saying, I take multiple confirmations like this. So here's a list of multiple confirmations. Hold on. Yeah, this one. So here is a list of my strategies or my indicators to look at. And today's topic is about support and resistance line. This one. So if I see so I take 3 confirmations at least on which bar combinations it's going to be. And support resistance line is just one of my confirmations, take a buy. So if I see a gold cross and when I see a Fibonacci retracement bounce, then that will be a great buy chance. Yeah. So yeah, this is just one of the confirmations to buy on this support and resistance line on my KTS strategy. Yeah. Okay, so now that the price is breaking the recent high upwards now, so I expect that this is going to be a bullish in wave, and as long as it continues to go up, I expect the price retrace backwards up until 1.378 area and continues to go up this way. This is my view, because Kumo is moving up and Kijun Sen is moving up on 1 hour chart. So there's some confluence here. Alright, yeah. Good to see you, everyone. Thank you for joining. Good to see you. Okay, so yeah, let me just keep going. Right? So I run the tester based on 5 now. So okay, now it's coming down. Okay, so it was kind of supported by the recent high here, and the price is going up now and almost breaking the recent high uppers this way. So let me keep running a tester now. So there's another reversal. There's another reversal that you can draw like this way, right? There was a previous resistance is turning to the support here, and you can see these examples many times as far as it goes upwards, and this is possible, right? These reversals can be possible because in higher time frame this is uptrending. All right, so I will take a buy here, and my initial stop loss is going to be slightly below the recent low, which is at this level. Yeah, I hope that it makes sense to everyone. So, but at the same time, we have to look at the higher time frame too. And if you look at the one, we know that the Kumo is becoming flat. Technically, Senko span B flat, A flat, and Kijun Sen flat now. So in this particular case, the market can go downwards. Right? The market might go downwards. It might go up, it might go downwards. We never know which way the price is going because Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat right now. So although we see a twice of support here, I don't look for buy chance here because the price might not going to be breaking the recent high uppers, but maybe it might be resisted by this line and goes downward this way. Yeah, because now once again 1 hour chart Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat. Yep. Does that make sense, everyone? Alright, clear? Alright. Great to hear that. Alright, Keon, thank you for your reminder. Yeah, so if you liked today's live, please press the good button. And please subscribe and click the bell button so that you get notified as I do this live every day. Alright, Hendra, how do you determine the profit targets for these trades? So profit is going to be when the Kijun Sen goes flat in higher time frame. In this case, 1 hour chart. So right now the price is, the Kijun Sen Kumo is horizontal in 1 hour chart. So we have to look for the exit timing right now because the possibility is that the price might not going to be breaking the recent high uppers because these are flat. right? So at some point we have to look for the exit timing. So more precisely, if the price cannot renew the recent high uppers, but it might end up with this V wave, or it might end below the previous high, and the price might start to go backwards and breaks the recent low downwards. In that case, right, this is going to be the exact exit timing right here. As soon as the price breaks the recent low downwards, that will be an exit. And you must be seeing that the Kumo flat and Kijun-sen flat at that time in higher time frame. And that will be a great take profit timing. So this is a combination of wave analysis and Ichimoku here. So I don't look at any indicators. I don't look at the Fibonacci retracement, or I don't look at the stochastics right now, because I wanted to focus on this candlesticks and Kumo, or Chikou span, or Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen breakouts. Okay, and this is going to be a profit target. Or Prog, in this example, do you still have your other entries open? Yeah, so I still keep holding this buy. The first one, I keep holding it. And the second one, I keep holding it too. Yeah, I already moved the stop losses break even, and I keep holding these buys. Okay. Alright, Cyrus, I like your clear presentation. That's great here. Thank you for your words. Alright, Danish, thank you for joining as well. Good to see you. And Duke, thank you for joining as well. Alright, so here is, the backside of the story, that the price is ranging now. The price is ranging. It's not really renewing the recent high uppers anymore. So in this case, the price might go downwards this way. So we have to watch out. So let me move on by 5-minute chart, and let me just keep going. So let me just delete all these lines now. Okay, now so the 5-minute chart looks to be still uptrending, but when you look at the Kijun-sen Kumo in 1-hour chart, it's flat. So I say that there is a good chance that the price goes downwards this way. So we'll see. Let me just keep running it more in 5. And once the price breaks through the highest high uppers, then I look for the buy chance again. So let's see. Okay, now it's breaking the recent low downwards, right? Now it's breaking the recent low downwards. So in this case, Kijun-sen flat and Kumo flat in 1-hour chart. So I exit. This is a great exit timing right here. So you took a buy here on this breakout or on this reversal. You take a buy on either, you might take a buy on either this breakout or this support. But when you start to see the market retrace backwards, then this is going to be target for you. Yeah, I recommend not to keep holding that buy when you see this reverse in the wave. So yeah, if you look at the wave like this, this is reverse in the wave. So that's when you wanna take profit right here. All right. Okay, Indra, what about gold? So what do you think about the gold? Yeah, you can put analysis here, and I can take a look at it later. All right, Tibu. Hi, Kay, Forrest, and everyone. Excellent presentation. You're welcome. Okay, PP, Kei-san, do you make a judgment on the Kumo length to determine the price exhaustion levels? I don't really capture the price retracement levels in terms of the Kumo length, but Kumo thickness is more important. Yeah, so whenever you see Kumo thickness, then there's a good chance that the price is going to be supported by that thickness part of the Kumo, and it might go upwards. But so if you can see the chart here, the price went through the Kumo where this is a little bit thinner. But let's say the market continue to consolidate, and the price hit the Kumo from this day, then there's a good chance that the price can be resisted in this area and goes downward this way. So it depends on the time frame, or it depends on the how thick or thin the Kumo is, whether the candlestick breaks through or not. Okay, all right, PP. Right, glad that you understand it. All right, so now coming back to this chart, now the Kijun-sen flat and Kumo flat. So I expect the price retrace backwards, maybe to this level, maybe to the previous high, which is at this level, or maybe it's going to be lower at the wick pointing upwards if it continues to go down this way. Alright, so let me keep running it in 5, and let's see how the market was moving afterwards. So it's ranging. It's ranging the whole time. Kijun-sen is slightly moving up in 1, but this is a little difficult to capture trends now because it's been flat. Yeah, it's been the range for the whole time. Okay, so now there was a fake breakout to the downside, and now the price is breaking upwards in 5. But I don't want to take a sell or buy chance right now because the Kumo flat and Kijun-sen completely flat for the last couple of days now. I mean, for 1 day, the price has been consolidating flat. So although we see a spike down and up in 5, we don't want to get fooled by these kind of moves because it can continue to go horizontal like this way. Alright, so we'll see. Let me just keep it running a little bit more. Okay, now the price is breaking the recent high upwards. Another recent high upwards now. Okay, now it's retracing backwards, but it's kind of supported by this on this low here. And if you can look at the 1 hour chart Kumo or Kijun-sen, these are going up now. Right? Kumo is going up, and Kijun-sen is also going up this way. So, and also we have a higher lows here, so we can run the tester a little bit more. Alright, so let's go in. Let's keep it going. So I'm expecting that we're gonna buy here. Right? Let's say we buy here, and then what's gonna happen next is going to be I think it's going to be a retracement. Oh, okay, so there's a clear breakout on the recent high price now. On this level of 1.3808 area, the price went upwards and kind of retracing backwards now. So this was another great buy chance. Yeah, buy chance, right? Because there was a reversal signal for this support line is resistance lines are turning to support line now, and the price shoot it down, moved upwards, and renewed the recent high price even more. So it was quite volatile on this year. But yeah, so and now this is becoming a reverse downtrend, reverse in the wave. So at this rate, I expect the price renew the recent low downwards to this way sometime next week. Okay, thank you, understand. Alright, yep, alright, good to see you. Forex Tester is very efficient. Thanks for sharing us. Sure, you're welcome. So in this way, you don't have to buy the Forex Tester right anymore, because I show it to you every Monday with some valuable information too. Alright, so I guess I will be ending the live in about 5 minutes. So I hope you had a great lecture time today too. And hopefully you get the idea of how I draw these lines and how I draw the support line, resistance lines, and also how I expect a reversal to up or down trends. But all these are possible because I follow the trend in higher time frame uptrend, and that's why everything is possible. And now the price is coming down, and the Kijun Sen is going down too in 1 hour. You can see that the Kijun Sen going down, Kumo Senko Span A flat, and Kijun Sen flat. So yeah, there is a chance that the price can break the Kijun Sen downwards, and ultimately price can break the Kumo downwards this way. And this is actually another expectation for me. So if I just move a couple of candlesticks more, let's see. Also, this is moving up now, breaking the recent high upwards even more. So I expect the bounce off on this 1.3827 area. The price should come back to this area and look for the buy chance afterwards on this level. Alright, Lawrence, you're welcome. And Karim Tawhid, you're welcome. And Vincent, you're welcome too. Alright, Duke, why not you combine with 4-hour chart, daily chart time frame and show us how to take a swing trade? Yeah, if I show the 4-hour chart, for example, on this one, then there might be too much charts. Like if I lay out the 4-hour chart above here, then you can all these time frames are kind of tight. So if I turn this one to 4-hour chart, then let's see. Yeah, if I turn this to a 4-hour chart, and if I make it horizontal, like this way, then yeah, it's kind of difficult to grasp the whole picture, and that's why I just picked up the 1-hour chart and 5-minute time frame. Yeah. But anyways, I think yeah, we can do this. We can run the Forex Tester 4 in like three different time frames, and make sure the confluence on the market and take a buy or sell. Yeah, I think this is going to be more like practical, and this is going to be more convincing to the real market situations. Yep. Alright, so once again, thank you for joining everyone on my live stream for today. So tomorrow, what I will be talking about tomorrow is going to be let's see. So here is a program guide, and tomorrow on Tuesdays, I talk about Ichimoku lecture, and tomorrow is the 25th, so I will talk about the Chikou span breakout. Yeah, so if you're interested, you can join on tomorrow's live stream. So until then, I hope you have a great day, and I hope that you stay healthy and stay gold. So, alright, bye for now. Thank you for everyone for joining, and I will see you on the next one. So, bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you.